Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. 25 projects coming out to you, 5 a week for 5 weeks. Yes, Barry, you really aren't going to let me film this video, are you? We're on project number 24. Promised you I'd have another project using these beautiful tins, and I kind of took inspiration from the catalogue, or rather the front, I think it's the front of the catalogue, but a little stack of them, and you could fill these. My husband would be made up if I filled these with nails and screws and little things like that. I mean, put it this way, as soon as he saw them and he went, oh, that'd be great in my, in my garage. No, darling. But that's okay. I don't mind. Right, so I used the Home for the Holidays. Home for the Holidays? Is that what it's called? Oh, you can tell I've been doing quite a lot of filming today. What's it called? Trimming the Town. Why have I called it Home for the Holidays? Trimming the Town paper. That does come with a stamp set and dies, but there's no words in it. And actually I'm using the Merry Moose that came back. This was so popular, but I'm not actually putting a moose on it. So what I want to do is I'm getting an eyeball. Yep, that's going to fit. So I've measured up my tin. It's 4 inches wide. So I want 3-inch widths of paper. I love these polka dots. I just adore them. They are fabulous. It's like snowballs. And I'm just going to make sure that that will wrap. It will. So that's a bit too much. So I'm going to measure the length of that and trim it down a bit. And that's going to give me the guide for the next ones. So I'm going to I'm going to make it 8 inches. And that's still plenty to go round. So 3 by 8 inches, 7.5 by 20 centimetres, and you've got plenty. So I've got the spots this time round. And I've got snowflakes, but I like the houses on the other side as well, so I'm going to go for both. So I'm going to trim that down to 6 inches. And take that one down to 8. And then just simply cut this in half, and then I can take either side. So I've got my 3 patterns. Right, so let's just get a bit of glue going on the ends of all of them. And start wrapping. And if you wrap at the bottom, start from the underneath, you know it's all going to fit. So there's one. I love those houses. Let's go to the bottom again. There's my snowflakes. And my snowballs. Easy. Can't go wrong with that, can you? Okay, so I'm going to grab this lovely, this is actually Poppy Parade. It's not red, but I love the ribbon. I just love it. If you're using this as home decor, stick everything together. If you're gifting it, be mindful of the fact that you might have to tell the ribbon who's boss, because the tins do like to slide a bit. Look, I haven't got anywhere near long enough. Oh dear. Oops. We'll do our best to get a bow on there with it. How did I manage to cut that so wrong? Oh well. So it's going to be a little bow on this one. Oh well. Oops. With the ridiculously long tail one end. Okay, so there's my 3 put together just like that. Okay. I'm looking for some Whisper White. Here's a bit. And my Merry Moose. So we've got all sorts of phrases. Have a cosy Christmas. Enjoy the stillness of the season. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I'm going to go with this one this time around. Enjoy the stillness of the season. Although if I was to give my husband that full of screws and nails and things, I don't think it would be very quiet. So I'm going to get that on there, and I'm going to go Misty Moonlight this time round. And I'm going to stamp that on there, and I have no idea what punch I'm going to use, so I'm just looking around to see what I've got. That could be quite good. Actually, that's not bad at all. So this is the postage label punch. No, postage stamp punch. Sorry, postage stamp punch. So that on there, that was good. That was, yeah, I've got lots of choose from. That one worked. And where are they? I'm after the faceted dots that go... No. I can't see them. I want these shapes. Why can I not see them? No, those are butterflies. Oh, I might have to go with something completely different. I will, that's no problem. Right, I'll go with the wonderful gems. I wonder what I've done with those. Okay, not a problem. And we'll have a little cluster of these. Just repositioning that very slightly. A couple of dimensionals on the back. And that's my little stack of tins. Should move that along a little bit more. Aren't they lovely? Oh, they're so cute. I love them. I love the tins. I'm addicted to the tins. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Back tomorrow for the final project in this season. I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.